This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign PDF documents efficiently using Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. This essential skill allows you to quickly add your signature without the hassle of printing, signing by hand, and then scanning the document back in. You can easily complete forms, agreements, and contracts entirely digitally from your computer, saving you valuable time and resources. Let us simplify your document workflow and boost your productivity today. Once you have your PDF open in Acrobat Reader DC, look towards the right side of your screen. You will see a panel with several options, and one of them is clearly labeled Fill and Sign. Click on this tool to activate the signing features. This action will then transform your cursor and present you with options to add text or a signature, making the document ready for your input. To create your signature, select the sign icon from the newly appearing toolbar at the top. You will then be prompted to add signature. Here, you have 3 convenient ways to create your unique digital mark. You can simply type your name, draw it using your mouse, or upload an image of your physical signature. Choose the method that best suits your preference for a professional appearance. With your signature now created, simply move your cursor to the exact spot on the document where you want to place it, then click. You can then easily resize or move your signature using the blue handles that appear around it, ensuring it fits perfectly. Once everything looks correct, click the Next button, then save the document to apply your digital signature permanently. Remember to save to keep your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.